Welcome back, everyone. In case you're new here, my name is Preston. I'm a master barber with over 10 years experience. On my channel, we do haircut tutorials, vlogs about information pertinent to our industry, and I'm also going to have some product reviews coming for you guys. In this video, I have a facial shave, just a standard. It's not really an hour-long process. You know, it's 15, 20 minutes, tops 30 minutes. It's an add-on service for some of your customers that want a facial shave. Personally, I charge $25 for just a shave like this, and if it's an add-on to a haircut, I charge an extra $15 for it. It's a good little add-on service for you to offer. It rejuvenates your customer, refreshes them. It's a really good feeling, so y'all check this video out. Alright guys, here we go. I'm using the Tomb 45 shave gel, and I just, to start out, put a real good coat on. Just rub it into his face real good. Make sure to get it all over his chin and cheeks and his neck and above his lip, his mustache area. Then I put a hot towel on it, and I don't really time it, I just let it sit there until it cools off. I'm speeding these parts up so y'all don't have to sit here through the whole process. Take that towel off, and I put another one on. Same thing. Let it sit there until you leave his nose out, and make sure his chin and top lip are covered. After the second towel, I'll put some more shave gel. Y'all don't be scared to use this gel. Another layer of gel. I want his face to be coated real well. Before this video, I took his beard down with the T-edgers, so it'd be easier to shave. You leave longer hairs and it just makes a mess, so I like to take it down to stubble and then shave it. We're cutting up in the barber shop. Pretty funny. We have a good time. And here we go. I start and I go down. Look, and as I'm doing this, see how tight I'm pulling the skin. You want to really pull the skin as tight as you can. That's super important. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I think that right there I realized that the camera I didn't stop it from focusing, so I switched it. So I'm pretty sure I fixed that problem. This should take you about 30 minutes if you do it correctly. And man, I add on $15 to a haircut for this. Without a haircut it's 25, with a haircut it's 15. I speed this up because my arm gets in the way and y'all can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm just going through the process of shaving, making sure I pull the skin tight. And when you do his upper lip, y'all make sure that you put a good amount of shave gel on his lip. And I like to be on the other side. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to be on his left side and work my way across his lip. I know you can't see it, but I'm holding the tip of his nose up. To get in there. And I do the same thing. You see how tight I'm pulling the skin. Same thing with the chin. And I know you see me going sideways. I'm just following the hair growth pattern. I usually don't do, you'll see in this video, I come back and shave him up, and the first swipe, there's a little bit of blood patches. I don't really cut him, but he has some bumps on his lower neck, right underneath his chin. They're shave bumps, and I surely hit a few of them. It's not bad. I mean, it didn't bleed really, but if you come back and go up, you really have to pull that skin tight. And that one time I didn't, and it happened. But before I do that, after I go down and get everything cleaned up, I'll clean his face up, put another towel on. And same thing, I'll let it sit there until it gets cold. Not cold, but where it's not effective anymore, where it's not really softening the hairs anymore. You can see he's kind of sweaty there on his neck. It's a good hot towel. And then I'll come back and put more gel on him. Y'all don't be scared to use this gel. Massage it in. And I use, as you can see, a very, very good coat of gel when I come back to shave up. Right here, I wasn't pulling his skin tight enough, and he's laughing, and I end up nicking him. Not nicking him, it just, them bumps from him shaving. I just took the tops off of him. But no big deal, it cleaned up real easy. But you can see that don't happen again. It's very important that you pull that skin tight when you're shaving. I know this dude, and a lot of my customers, most of my customers, I'm really good friends with, and I've known them for a while, so we always cut up and have a really good time in the barber shop. I'm just filling there for any stubble that I can still fill. If y'all like this video, man, y'all share it. Do me a favor, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Go check out my other videos. Right here, I'm just cleaning him up, just getting it all the gel off of him, and then you'll see me put some aftershave balm on him and some bay rum, and that's just anesthetic and it also smells good. So this is the aftershave balm. Just massage it into his face real good. I just let it sit there briefly, and then I'll wipe the excess off, and then I'll put some bay rum on him. That's pretty much how to do a shave. Again, if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos. I have haircut tutorials and also some information vlogs that are with information pertinent to our industry. If there's anything you would like to see, leave it in the comments. Any questions, get in the comments. Again, man, I really appreciate y'all watching. And this is just finishing up. It's a very refreshing feeling for your customers. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.